Hello and welcome to Ness and Andy's Travels from Cyprus. And we're in the Paphos harbour. Behind me is the promenade and also the harbour, which is where we are. And then over in the distance behind me, over there, are all the hotels in the distance. So we're going to take you for a little walk along the harbour. We're going to take you on the new coastal walkway that has now opened. It opened yesterday, although I did go on it briefly the day before. And let's go and see what sort of job they've made of it. So come with me for a little wander and we'll go and have a look. And hopefully you can hear me all right with the breeze. Bit of a cloudy day, as you can see. Hopefully the sun will appear at some stage. We had a torrential thunderstorm last night. Heavens opened. It was, you may have already seen the short that I put on, and it's quite spectacular. I've never seen a storm quite like that one, although we did have one in Rhodes when we were there quite a few years ago now. I remember it was about 2009, somewhere around there when we had that storm, and that was quite a storm as well. They do get quite spectacular storms in the Med. Anyway, let's take you for a little walk. We'll just show you the harbour there. All the little boats, all the fishing boats, and we've got the Navy here to our right. I won't contemplate showing them. They might tell me off, don't want to see their ship on video. The big pieces of stone just in front of me are all part of the original fort. I'm going back in time, I think, to Turkish times when Turkey ruled over Cyprus. I'd have to just check my facts on that, but I think that's when it was. I don't know. We'll find out before we put the video on. The turtle watching crew is in the distance, that yellow one that you can see. The pirate ship there as well, goes out on day cruises. We're just coming up to the fort in the distance. Ness isn't with me this morning. She's having a lie down on the sunbed by the pool at the Alexander the Great Hotel where we're based. She says, I'm not coming with you, you go on your walk. I'll just be a video widow for today. I said it'll only be an hour or so. That's the fort in front of us. You've got to pay to go in. It's only a small fee. Looks like it's quite busy today. We've been around there ourselves in the past. We've got stadium seating here ready for a show, whatever is coming on. I don't know. There's no signs out there to tell me. There's all the little fishing boats with their reels on the front of the boats. In the distance, the mountains, you start to go up into the mountains. They do have quite a lot of different shows on here, quite arts and cultural shows. There's a fort. You get some good views if you go up on top there. As you can see, they've been doing lots of work on the coastal path, and they're still just doing the finishing touches. They've got all nice seating here now, which never used to be here. It's all looking very posh and probably cost lots of money. They are spending a great amount of money in Paphos, bringing it up to modern standards, trying to make it a lot better than it was. But in my opinion, it was alright as it was, but you know, things advance, new ideas. It's been on quite open in possibly another week or two. They've just got a few things to finish off yet. Ice cream parlour to my right, Jovitaria. So let's take you on this new walkway. It's all been done, just opened. Looking all very posh and nice and smooth compared to what it used to be like. Here is the archaeological park. Pay your money, go for a walk around. Certainly won't want to do that on a hot day because there's very little cover for you to get any respite from the heat. I know, we've done it. So that's all the new seating area. If I come around here, perhaps get a little bit of height with the camera and you can have a look and see. So let's carry on up the coastal path. We'll go for a little walk so far up. Just see the changes they've made and improvements. Like I say, this is all very smooth. I hope that breeze isn't affecting my voice too much. I'm trying to get the camera as close as I can to my mouth so you can hear me. A lot of people walking the path today because it's newly opened, so they all want to test it out and make sure it's working. We're actually doing something else down here. There's some little squares ready for whatever they're going to put there. Possibly another little walkway down to the sea, maybe, we'll see. We're coming back here next year, so we'll find out if it's anything comes of it, if they do finish it up. One thing for certain, it's a lot better for push chairs, wheelchairs and anything else you can think of with wheels. So you're going to get the scooters flying up and down here now with great speed because it's so smooth. I haven't come across any yet, they're not out today yet. I don't know whether you can see this, there's actually a dog in the archaeological site. Let me just see if I can focus. No, I can't focus on him. Don't know what he's doing there. There are quite a few dogs that are a little bit wild around here. Not wild in they'll bite you, it's just they live out in the wild.
Can't see a pair on the way back.
The sea's a lot calmer today than it was yesterday. It was telling us the storm was on the way, I think. We were out in the mountains yesterday and we had quite a thunderstorm. Now whether you see that video before or after this, I don't know. It all depends what order we put them on. This video actually might go on before that, I don't know, we'll just see. there's still a little bit of work to do. There's pipes here and there, so whether they're going to put sprinklers in or whether it's for electric, I don't know. We'll find out very soon, I'm sure. I've got steps down just here, but it doesn't go down to a beach, it just goes down to the rocks and to the sculpture that's down there. Not too hot today for this walk, which is a little bit better. We're still up near 30 degrees, but at least it's not over that today so far. The only thing I'm not seeing on the walkway is lizards. When I used to walk along here, you very often saw the lizards. But there were lots of nooks and crannies in the old walkway, so they've done away with that and made it very smooth. So the lizards probably now moved away and into the undergrowth on the rocks down below. Through the fence, as you can see. I hate to think how much this cost. It must have cost quite a few bob. I'm glad I wasn't paying for it. Seating area coming up along here. I can sit and watch that Mediterranean Sea. Well, the clouds are clearing slowly. It's that blue in the distance. It's getting very blue indeed. And this is the seating area that they put here. Sort of a halfway point, I would imagine, on the footpath. Game of drafts or chess. Well, we're going to bring this part of the footpath to a close because the video is getting a little bit long before I take you on the second section. So we'll just take you for a little walk towards the Mediterranean Sea and get a view of the old shipwreck in the distance. As you can see, there's no sandy beach at all. It's all rock all the way around here. You've got to go further up the coast to get a nice sandy beach, but I will leave you with that view. I say cheerio for now, and if you like what you see, click the like and subscribe, and we'll be back with the next one very shortly. Bye for now.